let's take a look. So we want to find the coordinates of a point between these 2 points, and we're given the ratio. So we're given basically where it is on this line segment in terms of the ratio, and we need to get the coordinates. All right, let's just look at some examples. All right, now I split this line into proportions, okay? So 10% here, 90% here. All right, and here would be my point. Okay, so let's think about what would be the ratio of this segment to this segment. Well, it's 1 to 9, right? Okay, we're going to go through a few of these just to get the idea. Shift it down here. Now the proportion is 20%, 80%. So the ratio in simplest terms, 1 to 4. So on. Try to guess. In simplest terms, the ratio is 1 to 3. That's actually what we're looking for. 1 to 1. That's the midpoint. Or 50-50. What's that? 2 to 1. All right. And now we can start to think of that point as a weighted average. Okay. As it gets closer to 1 point, it's more weighted to that side. There's 4 to 1. All right. So let's go back to our particular details, which were 1 to 3. All right. And so the way I remember this is I think of it as a weighted average. Okay. And I'm closer to 2, 9 here, so I'm going to be weighted more heavily towards this side, right? I'm weighted more lightly towards the 8, -3. Okay. Now my weights are given here by the proportion. All right. So it's going to be basically 75% of this point plus 25% of this point. Okay. And again, the way I remember this is it's a weighted average. The weight is going to be more heavy towards the point that we were closest to. All right. So the 1 to 3 ratio, we're looking for the coordinates of that point, and we set it up as a weighted average. Okay, so let's just pause it here and see what we have. So we have 75% of the 2 plus 25% of the 8. Okay, that's the x value. The y value, 75% of the 9 plus 25% of the -3. Okay, and if you get mixed up about which one to weight more heavily than the other, just think about which one are you closest to. Okay, the heavier weight's going to be on this 2, 9 because we're closest to it. Okay, and we just worked that out. Okay, so you can use this to get any. If you're given the ratio, you can get any coordinate there. All right. I hope that was helpful.